What's up YouTube? It's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gym validated. I've been blessed enough to curate and build a studio 9 times now. There are 5 things that stuck around each and every time I purged, sold everything, got rid of everything for whatever reason. Here are 5 pieces of gear that I find indispensable that should be in your studio. Drink coffee. Pre-Sonus Faderport. They also have an updated version. I use version 1. It's a motorized fader controller for your DAW with a plethora of most used functions on one very satisfying and easy to use unit. Rewind, stop, play, record, your mix window, your project window, your transportation window, undo, redo button, automation controls, channel select controls. I'm a huge click factor guy. Pressing the buttons gives you that satisfying click factor. It helps navigating your sessions exponentially better and easier. Get one just for the mix button to toggle your mix window on and off. It is a workflow must-have in my opinion. You can find these anywhere from $60 to $80 used online. Our Nob Control. I am mind blown that I do not see more of these in studios. How do you not have this? It is the perfect complement to the Faderport. Faderport, Nob Control, I'm at home anywhere I go. It's a super accurate and precise single universal knob controller. Any parameter that your mouse can tweak, knob can control. Knob can control bars. It gives you that tactile feeling for hardware. It's perfect for plugins. There's a stationary switch for knobs and wheels and a drag mode for sliders and faders. You can also adjust for vertical or horizontal. There's also a knob assignment center to customize the functionality and features. Do note getting one is tricky. They are always sold out, so you have to get on their mailing list. Stay in the loop. It was about $250 US when I first purchased it. I'm not sure if that's still the same. Totally worth the effort. Pick up a Nob Control. I did a whole video that basically covers Console 1 in all of its glory. I'll go ahead and leave a link up here. It's just another indispensable workflow controller. You do a lot of mixing, it is an absolute must-have. It's your most corrective tools directly in front of you with the tactile feel. It's the universal hand gesture for tactile feel. Compression, EQ, you can shape transients, panning, volume, solo, mute, drive, character for the warmth and the harmonics. You can cycle through a great selection of Softube and UA plugins and amazingly convincing console emulations. How could you not see this as an improvement to your workflow? I think everybody needs one of these. Go ahead and check out this video to get a little more in depth. Get your eyes on there, put it on your radar. TC Electronics Clarity M. If you do anything in mixing and mastering, this is essential. There are metering tools for production mixing and mastering, complete with the loudness radar meter, true peak meter, down mix compliance, stereo correlation, real-time analyzer. There's a number of different connections for your audio source, and I use the USB because it's the easiest way to just get your sound, get your audio into the unit. Complete with VST, AU, and AAX plugins. You can use it in your favorite DAW. It has a high resolution display and it's mountable. It is an essential piece to your studio that you have to check out. The Belle de Ball. How many studios have you seen one of these in? How many? How many? Freaking everywhere. Kensington makes a number of trackball mice. This is the one you want. This is the Trackball Expert mouse. There's a wired and a wireless version. 4 customizable buttons, 6 if you consider pressing 2 at the same time at the top or 2 at the same time at the bottom. It comes with a detachable wrist rest. It's really easy on the hands. The ergonomics of it, the feel of it. You don't deal with a lot of hand fatigue, which is why this is kind of the perfect user-friendly workhorse that you can work hours and hours and hours a day. Trusty and handy scroll wheel. It's Bluetooth capable, but if you're using the wireless function, the dongle is a more reliable connection. I actually recently purchased a Logitech MX Master. Here. And this might be number 6. I don't know. Let's call it a bonus. You know, honorable mention. That's what all these pieces of gear are to help you improve your workflow. Time is money. When the age of content, you got to do this. Boom. All right. So that is 5 things that survives every purge. I guarantee you probably have 3 of the 5 sitting on your desk right now. Great minds think alike, right? Am I right, great minds out there? So that's a quick one from your boy ZndBorn. Hope you like the new format. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of fun things. Hopefully this is an extra degree. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.